Hi, I'm Andrew from the Connecticut Science Center, and I'm here with Aoife Ryle.
Hi.
Hi, Aoife. We have a bunch of stuff in front of us. Can you tell us what we're doing today?
Yes, I wanted to see if you wanted to try to solve a mystery with me today.
Always up for a good mystery.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So we have a bunch of different black markers here. We got Sharpies, dry erase markers, Crayola. If I were to draw lines with all these, what would they look like?
They would be black, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Not too easy to tell apart.
Not really at all, no.
Yeah. So the kind of cool thing about these black markers is they're actually all comprised of different colors.
Okay.
Different amounts.
Right.
And so we can tell those apart if we break apart those colors and take a look at them.
So you mean black is just not black?
Yes, exactly. Think about like when you mix paints together and you make black.
Right, yeah, I would get a black. If I mix all the colors together, I get black, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, so the way we're gonna split them apart is by using something called chromatography.
Okay, that's a really big word.
Yeah. I'll show you how it works.
Sure.
We've taken some coffee filters that we've cut to little strips like this.
That's some right here.
So you're gonna take yours and you can pick any marker you want, doesn't matter. Of course, try out a bunch of different ones. You're gonna draw a little dot about an inch from the bottom of your...
So about an inch.
Yeah, right there.
Somewhere in there, like that.
From your coffee filter, perfect.
Good.
Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna hang our coffee filter down into, we have beakers because we're at the Science Center, but any cup you have will work. There we go. Okay. And if you wanna just tape it in place,
yeah,
would be a good way to hold that. And you want your the bottom of your coffee filter to not quite touch the bottom of your cup or your beaker, but be pretty close.
Okay,
Yeah,
is
just
that pretty good?
That. You got it.
All right.
Yeah. Now your next step, we're going to pour some water.
Got some water here.
I also have rubbing alcohol, which works well as well. And you're gonna carefully pour that in, make sure you don't get it on the coffee filter.
Right.
And you wanna pour it in until that water is just at the bottom of your filter. You don't want that water line to come up to the dot. It's gotta be below that dot.
All right.
Perfect.
It's good.
Now what do you see happening in there?
Well, I actually see the water seems to go up the filter.
Yeah.
I'm a little confused because if I were to dump some water out, it would go down.
Right.
So now I see it going up.
Yeah, so that's a process called capillary action.
Okay.
So there's little holes in that coffee filter.
Sure.
That water is traveling up in between those holes.
Yeah, I can see the little holes,
Yeah, so if we let this sit for a while, we'll start to see something that ends up looking like this. I did a couple ahead of time. Now, I'm not gonna tell you which pens we use because that would be cheating.
So you used all these different pens here?
Yes.
Okay.
And now if you look at our dots here, what do you see?
I see all sorts. I see pink and orange and yellow. I see almost every color imaginable.
Yeah,
right?
So pretty easy to tell apart here, right?
Yeah, but out here, not so much.
Right.
So
this can actually be kind of fun if you want to try this at home, write a note. And you can see if you can challenge people to figure out what pen might have written that note.
So be careful when you're writing notes is what you're saying. Yes, gotcha.
We can now analyze your ink as well as your handwriting.
Excellent.
Yeah,
that's great. All right. Well, thank you very much for sharing this with us. This looks like a great activity to try at home. And if you try it at home, please share it with us. Hashtag us at Science at Play, or check us out at connecticutsciencecenter.org for more fun activities, and let us know what you think.
If you are enjoying this activity, please support the Connecticut Science Center by making a donation.